Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 large boxes of products we're going to unbox. And so we're going to see what all is inside these. It's all supposed to be brand new. It's all supposed to be from a wholesaler, and we're going to put it all on hookedonpickin.com, but I know we've got some new fun things for you.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so we're getting into fourth quarter, which is Christmas time, and I wanted to make sure that I had tons of fun things available for you guys on hookedonpickin.com. So that's partly why I ordered some of this stuff. Actually, partly why Paul ordered it. I really don't know what's in here because Paul does all the ordering.
I'm thinking stocking stuffers.
Stocking stuffers?
That's what I was going for.
Ooh, these have been selling like hotcakes.
Yeah, we ran out of these.
You ran out of these? Wooden snakes. These are crazy. Here, I'm going to take one out. So we have different colors, too. These are all brown. We had
should be 3 colors.
Yeah. Ah, it wants to get me. All right. So, yeah, here's a green one, a brown one, and an orange one. And you can pick your color. But they're really creepy. I totally scared Faith with one of these. Of course, that was a bad idea because Faith actually has been bit by a snake, so I'm a terrible mom. So, doing that action. So, anyway, she said it didn't bother her, but she thought it was real when she first looked at it. All right, so we'll set that over there. Get another item out of the box here.
You might be opening it upside down.
Is it upside down? I fix it.
You remember these?
Oh, yes. Laser pet toys.
They're fun.
A little laser pointer, basically. Are they different colors? Yeah, they're different colors, so we'll probably offer the different colors.
That'd be fun. Stocking
Oh,
stuffer.
Yeah, that is a good stocking stuffer.
Fun for Christmas, play with your pet.
Or this would be great for teachers.
Yeah, that too.
Because you could stand at the back of the classroom and point to different things. Or like if you're a kindergarten teacher, the letter that you're working on, that kind of stuff. You should use this in Sunday school class, Paul.
Sure could.
Yeah.
So.
All right. Laser pointers. Just don't shine it in your eyeballs, please.
Don't go blind.
What in the world is this? Back scratchers. I just bought some back scratchers. Fancy ones. These are like the ones my mom used.
They're bamboo.
Yeah, they're bamboo ones.
They're the old school back scratcher.
Those are cool.
So
I like them. Everybody needs a back scratcher. You want me to scratch your back? Scratch your own back with a back scratcher.
You're opening it upside down again.
What? There.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, man. $100 bill tissues. You need some Kleenex in your life?
Bam.
You have so much money, you're just blowing your nose. Blowing your nose on the money. Those are awesome. I love those. Those are fantastic. How many tissues are in there? This would be perfect in your purse.
Was it 50, I think?
I think so.
Let's see. There you go.
Yeah. 10 pocket tissues.
Oh, just 10?
10 in each pack.
They're a little thicker then.
Yeah, they are. They're not the, like... I hate those tissues that are like, as soon as you blow your nose, like, why'd you even use the tissue? Because it's on your hands already. Those are ridiculous. Well, but those are ridiculous. Why would you make tissues like that? Like, don't get me started. I'm going to start ranting about tissues. Make tissues that are actually thick enough to work. It's like 1-ply toilet paper. It's ridiculous. Oh.
We're running out of our Jesus jigglers.
Jesus jigglers. They're solar powered, so you set them in the window and he does a little jig.
People put them on their cars a lot.
Oh, yeah. They do have a little sticky pad on the bottom, so you can stick them in the cars. And that is it in that box. All right, let's do this one. We're going to price everything at the end, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Oh my goodness, these are hotcakes. We sell these so fast, we can barely keep them in stock. They're little dinosaur squish balls. And evidently, I'm not allowed to get into them because they're very taped well. So they're different colors and different styles. So these are the T-Rex ones. Aren't they gross? They sound disgusting too. So we have T-Rex. We have 3 different colors. T-Rex. We have Stegosaurus. And there's another one.
This is Triceratops.
Triceratops. This is Stegosaurus.
There you go.
And they all come in variety. So like you can get, you know, the Stegosaurus in blue and all that. So you pick your style. I feel like the brown ones look more like the realist dinosaur.
Yeah.
And then you squish him.
Yep.
Sorry, they're too much fun. I could stand and play with those all day.
Dinosaurs.
They love dinosaurs, and those squishy balls are really, really popular. So, super cool poop slime.
Unicorn poop.
Unicorn poop. It's specialer
Yep.
than regular slime. It's unicorn poop slime.
Look at that.
Super cool unicorn poop.
I didn't know unicorns pooped in bottles like that.
It's very convenient and thoughtful of them to poop in bottles that are even kind of rippled like a unicorn horn.
Absolutely.
I mean, they're so considerate, those unicorns.
Yep.
Those mythical creatures, they just think of others all the time.
Right. Poop in bottles.
Pooping in bottles. All right, frog squish ball.
We're almost out of these too.
Yeah, so this one you squish. Believe it. Might light up too. Can't remember, but it looks really squishy and weird. So frog squish balls. What else we got? Ooh, what are these? Outer space erasers. So they come in a 4-pack. You get the spaceman, you get the rocket, the alien, and what is that? Oh, there's 2 different styles.
Yeah.
I don't know what this guy is. Another alien,
Little
I guess.
robot.
Little robot. And then this guy has a little shuttle, a spaceman, a satellite, and then the UFO.
Cool.
So those are cool.
Good old space erasers.
Space erasers. What's in this little tiny baby box? I'm going to open the little tiny baby box. I opened it upside down, Paul.
You sure did, Heather. Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Shock pens.
What?
Yeah, they'll shock you.
Oh, it's a gag pen. That sounds terrifying.
Shock your friends.
May interfere with electrical devices such as pacemakers. Keep out of reach from children.
Or kill grandma.
Don't kill grandma.
Please don't kill grandma.
Shock pen. So this is like a gag gift.
Yep. It's like one of those buzzer toys.
Yeah, like the hand buzzers. So it does a little bzzz.
I thought it'd be a fun, again, stocking stuffer.
Yeah, that's a fun one. All right. What else we got in here?
Hard box to open.
Yeah, it is. Just couldn't get my
Oh, yeah. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man jumbo bath bombs.
Look at that.
That is a cool bath bomb. That thing's huge.
That is cool. See, I thought for sure this would be a good stocking stuffer.
Yeah, that's going to be a good
You
one.
see these around Christmas in Walmart and whatnot. Boom, my first marbles. Just one in there? I think it's just one guy in there.
Yeah, one big, huge bath bomb.
Has a surprise charm. So
Ooh.
in the bath bomb, I believe.
It's a mystery. What is it?
Very
With a
cool.
surprise charm.
That's a good
Spider-Man.
idea.
That is a good idea.
Yep. I'm pretty sure people would like those.
Okay, and we have another one. I think these are bath bombs too, but yep, same thing.
Cool.
Say Spider-Man ones. I like the Spider-Man bath bombs. We should put some of this stuff down at our retail space. We're going to do an update on the retail store. We haven't done one in a little while. Been kind of busy with sporting events for our kids,
Yeah, we
but
need to bring a lot of stuff down there.
we're going to bring a bunch down there.
Switch out the inventories.
Yep. Emojis. Oh, these are awesome. Look at these. Bing. So they have different types of emoji faces. And you can pick your face. And they have the little stick-on things on the back, or they have a little nail hook. So you can put them on either way. So you can pick. But they're perfect for like that closet that just doesn't quite have enough light, or that cupboard that doesn't have enough light. Stick a little battery-operated one in there. And I believe the batteries, yeah, traditional AA batteries. Looks like it has 2 compartments. So it takes 4 AA batteries. Or AAA batteries, sorry. And then that's nice because it's a normal battery. A lot of times these LED things, they'll come with those little metal ones that nobody ever buys. But it comes with normal batteries, which is nice. All right. What else we got in here? This says, ooh. I just bought one of these for myself. If I would have waited 2 more days to order one, I could have just worn these. So these are blue block glasses. So basically, if you stare at a computer screen for any length of time, if you're like me, your eyes get real tired, and I sometimes get little like floaties in my eyes. But what these do is they're not a prescription, and they basically block out the blue light coming at you, and it makes your eyes less fatigued if you wear these, if you stare at screens all day long. So they're really, really nice, just a traditional black pair. This is what they look like. And they work really well. I bought a pair, and I use them pretty regularly, especially when I'm listing, because I'm staring at a screen all day long. So, yeah, so blue light blocking glasses. Stay focused. It reduces eye strain. You sleep better, because you don't have all those colors coming at you. And it protects your eyes.
Very cool.
So, those are really handy. All right. I got quite the stack over here. All right. Then we have, what are these? Okay, I'm going to have to tip this over because this box is really heavy. And I'm too short to reach it. Okay. Huh. 4 little boxes inside. I see something's peeking out there. Jelly bath bombs, Crayola. Use 2 or more for max jelly. So it just makes it really fun. So you could use 2 different colors, but it looks like they're all the same. Yeah. Yeah, it looks like they're all the same kind, but they just boxed them like this 6 at a time. Yeah, they all have the same code on them, so they're all the exact same. So we have 24 of those cool jelly bath bombs. All right, last box in here. Pull it out here. This side up. I'm not doing it upside down now, Paul.
Good job, Heather.
Handle with care. I'm handling with care.
Very
Okay.
good.
All right, what is it?
Wonderful job, Heather.
I'm trying to handle it with care. Bodycology Dark Cherry Black Orchid. What is this?
Juice and orchidness.
Orchidness?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's some bath bombs. Ooh, oh, my word. They smell so good. 8 bath fizzies, and they're individually wrapped. So once you open the bag, then you don't have to worry about them losing their scent. But those smell amazing. I would use those today. Those are fantastic. So we've got some bath bombs for stocking stuffers. We've got some back scratchers so you can scratch your own back. Got unicorn poop. Amazing. So let's go ahead and price all this, and then you can find it all on Hooked on Pickin. All right, we've got everything priced, so you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com to find each and every one of these items. So we have got our squishy frogs there, $1.49 a piece for those. Then we have our Superhero Adventures Jumbo Bath Bombs with Spider-Man on it, $2.99 a bath bomb. They are huge with a surprise charm inside. Then we have, of course, unicorn poop. Those considerate unicorns, $1.99. And then we have the different varieties of squishy dinosaurs, $1.49. And so you get to pick your style and color. Then we have the style and color you would like to choose for your LED emoji switches, $2.99 for those. Then we have the tissues, $1.49 for the 10-pack of tissues that look like $100 bills, which are amazing. Then we have our blue light glasses for $4.99 a pair. So those are super handy, and definitely you'll thank yourself later for getting them. Then we have for $1.99, we have the Shock pens, which are really fun. 99 cents for the back scratcher. $2.49 for your choice of color laser pet toy there, laser pointer. Then we have the outer space erasers, $1.49 per 4, like you get 4 erasers, so it's going to be a 4-pack that you get, $1.49. Then we have our fun snakes, and we did add a color. So we have we had black, orange, green. I didn't put the black one out here, I don't know why. And brown. Brown is a new color for us, $1.99 for that one. And then we have $2.99 for the Jesus Solar Jigglers, $2.99 for the Jelly Bath Bombs by Crayola, and $4.99 for the 8-pack of Dark Cherry Orchid Bath Bombs. So you can find each and every one of these items. They're perfect for any time of the year, but great stocking stuffers at hookedonpickin.com. And again, thanks for watching, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, we always do really fun unboxings. Give us a thumbs up. We do unboxings with various different items. We have small appliances and clothing and various other things. We just recently put a huge pile of clothing on hookedonpickin.com. So if you are looking for some cute outfits, some cute tops, some pants, all sorts of things, we also have wholesale clothing lots. So you can buy your size of tops, your size in pants. So check those out as well under the clothing category, and you'll find exactly what you need. Thanks for watching.